Hello, today we will guide you through how to export sales data CSV in Square. In this walkthrough, we'll take you from the Square dashboard to a clean CSV export of your sales, perfect for analysis in a spreadsheet or for sharing with your accounting tools. Keep your Square account open, and if you're asked to sign in, do that as you normally would. Start on the Square dashboard home. This is the central hub where you can see your business overview. On the left-hand navigation, look for the Reports section. It may simply read Reports, and it's the place where Square groups all analytics and financial summaries. Select it to open your reporting options. Inside Reports, choose Sales. This area focuses specifically on transactions and revenue performance. From there, click Sales Summary. The Sales Summary report is designed to give you a consolidated view of totals like gross sales, refunds, discounts, and net sales, and it's also the easiest place to export a CSV file. At the top of the sales summary page, set your date range. Use the date selector to choose exactly what you want to export. Options like today, yesterday, last 7 or 30 days, or a custom range. If you operate across multiple locations, make sure the correct location or all locations is selected so your export matches the scope you intend. Take a moment to confirm the filters reflect the period and coverage you need before downloading. Once your date range is set and the numbers on screen look right, move to the top right of the page and find the download icon. It typically looks like a downward arrow or a download symbol. Click it to begin your export. Square will prepare the file based on the filters you selected and download a CSV to your computer. After the file is saved, check your browser's downloads bar or your system's downloads folder. Open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet tool, such as Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. You'll see columns for key metrics like gross sales, service charges, discounts, refunds, taxes, tips, and net totals, depending on your configuration. If your spreadsheet app asks about delimiters or encoding, choose comma-separated values and UTF-8 to ensure everything displays correctly. A few quick tips as you review the data. Verify that the date range in the file matches what you set on the report, keep time zone differences in mind when reconciling daily cutoffs, and protect the file if it includes sensitive business details. That's it. Your Square sales data is now exported to CSV and ready for analysis or sharing.